On the frozen wind, a scent carries the promise of survival. Drawn by instinct, she approaches a rare and immense fortune. After weeks without certainty, the Arctic offers her a vital reserve. But in the Arctic, abundance rarely goes unnoticed. The scent travels far, and others answer the silent call. Within hours, the shoreline becomes a gathering ground of hunger. For mothers with cubs, every feast is shadowed by danger. And then, the true weight of the Arctic arrives. A single sound can decide who feeds first. Size, strength, and nerve are measured in a single rising moment. When warnings fail, force decides the balance. Strength alone is not enough. Submission becomes survival. The richest layer lies deep, and only the strongest can hold it. Hunger overrides caution. Another challenger makes his move. Two giants collide, each unwilling to surrender the prize. In the Arctic, dominance is written in flesh and frost. When order fractures, the feast becomes a storm of muscle and instinct. On the edge of violence, the young wait for their moment. Even the strongest must measure their strength against the cold. With power proven, the richest portion falls to him alone. In defeat, survival lies not in pride, but in retreat. As daylight fades, the hierarchy holds beneath the Arctic sky. In silence, the order of power becomes unmistakably clear. By morning, only bones remain testament to survival in its rawest form.